Apple makes progress in India as iPhone sales rise 34% to record. New record, I presume. Apple had the highest revenue in India. Counterpoint estimates. Xiaomi, Samsung led the market in number of smartphones sold. Yes, well, this makes sense. When we're talking about revenue, we're talking about the total dollar figure, units moved, and as opposed to units moved. And when it comes to the premium market, we know that Apple dominates. So I'm not surprised by that. But that is a big deal for them because they were trying to figure out, the India strategy. They moved the production over there. And I believe they recently opened their first retail store, but the online stuff had been around and they had been working on promoting it. Apple Inc. had its strongest quarter for iPhone sales in India yet, a sign that the company is finally making progress in the world's fastest growing smartphone market. Sales increased to 2.3 million units in the fourth quarter, which is up 34% from a year earlier, according to numbers from the market research firm Counterpoint. China Xiaomi Corp and South Korea Samsung Electronics sold 9.3 million and 7.2 million. So the majority of the market in India is still not the Apple price tag, right? Which is important to note. So you have, even though they were able to capture all that revenue on 2 million units, where Xiaomi and Samsung collectively, they were looking at close to 20 million units, but at different price points. These are both companies that have many options in the budget area, the more value type of area.